Today we're making tinfoil turtles. Although they look a little complicated, they're actually fun and easy to do. I recommend these for ages 7 and up. We really need to follow this process step by step in order to get it done right and to make sure that it stays together. We're going to take some newspaper, wrap it with tinfoil. Pretty much everything that we use in this project you probably have in your home. Some things that you might want to pick up are the googly eyes, maybe some paint, and the pipe cleaners that we use for the interior of the structure. If younger children are doing this, they should know that we have a couple of choking hazards, which are the eyes, and also sometimes the pipe cleaners can be a little tricky for younger children's use. This is a great family project. You can make these any size. They could be smaller, larger, and really get fun and creative with them. There's a lot to do, a lot to change, and a lot of different options for embellishing them later on in the process. We can also display them in a lot of different ways, and I'm going to show you that later on. But right now, we're going to work with the main structure of the body and work from there.